Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing the air suspension for the MR2. Okay, so we're gonna start with unboxing the smallest box first and we'll go from there. So first thing first, we have our compressor, which I bought separately from the kit because I originally only bought one and I was told two is best. So this is the compressor we decided to go for. Next is the 4-gallon tank. I already opened these up when they came from America. That's why I'm not lifting everything apart. Now this box is for the management and I decided to go for a manual management, which is the paddle, which I'll show you guys in a bit. This is like to raise and lower, and the bolts to add camber to the suspension. We have some goodies from Bag Riders, like stickers and stuff, which and a t-shirt, which I appreciate, guys. Thank you very much for that. Next we have drop links as well. I believe these are for the rear adjustable drop links. Again, very appreciated with this. This wasn't in the description for when I bought the suspension, and I'm very happy to receive those. This is the wiring diagram. So here we have the cables. All the cables there. A lot of wiring. More wiring. And the second compressor is in there, and like I said, guys, we're doing a dual compressor. More wiring, loads of wiring. So let's get to the good stuff. This is the strut for the air suspension, the bag, and we are sitting on D2 struts. And more struts. So we've got the two front, the two rear, obviously, and yeah, that's all we need for this install. So this is the paddle what I'll be using, which is the manual version of air, so like down and then up. It's kind of cool. And then I'll have two gauges like this. And yeah, guys, there's a lot to do with suspension, especially air suspension. You know, it's not so basic, but we'll do it. We're gonna give it a go. We've never done it before, so hopefully we learn from this as much as you guys can learn from this. But this is the air suspension for the Toyota MR2 SW20. So I hope you guys somewhat enjoyed that unboxing video. If you are interested to see how we get on with the installation, do subscribe. And I'm gonna post a lot of stuff on my social media as well to see whether or not how I should set up the trunk and what I should spray and stuff like that. So yeah, please do those two things, and I'll see you in the next video.